guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a decluttering and packing up my whole entire room. For those of you who don't know, I am actually moving this Saturday. This is being filmed on Thursday and I'm moving in 2 days and my room looks a mess. I have boxes everywhere because I'm moving and I basically need to kind of consolidate all the boxes and put as many things as I can into one box and stuff like that. I have to clean my whole room and also start packing. So I thought I would make it into a huge video for you guys. If you do like the video, be sure to subscribe and give the video a huge thumbs up and comment this emoji down below. Let me know what you're most excited for coming up in the fall, and let's get into this video. So I think first things first, I'm going to start with my clothes. I filmed a closet clean out a while ago, so everything up there is still really organized. So it's not really not organized, at least my closet. I just have to pack all these clothes. Everything is really sectioned into sections. So I have my sweaters, my skirts, my like work clothes, and then I have my crop tops, my going out shirts, my jackets, my work pants, and then some more jackets, jerseys, and dresses. Then over here, I have my leggings and workout clothes, my sweatshirts, and just some like extra stuff down there. I have socks and bathing suits in there, and then shoes all down here, and then more sweatshirts up there with some pajama pants. So I'm going to work on packing all of this first and cleaning out this portion of my closet. All right, just got out suitcase number 1 right here, and I am going to start the packing process of all my clothes. So this portion of the video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. If you don't know, Ana Luisa is a really nice sustainable jewelry company, and they were nice enough to send me some pieces that I want to share with you guys. Before I get any further into this video, I do want to say that I of course have a discount code for you guys, and everything I show you guys will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to go check them out. They have all different pieces like earrings, they have really nice necklaces and really nice bracelets and everything like that. So like I said, you can use my code SamanthaCosta10 for 10% off your order, and keep in mind that their jewelry starts at only $39, so it's really sustainable and really nice quality jewelry. So now let's get into exactly the pieces that they sent me. So first things first, I have this beautiful necklace that I literally wear all the time. It looks like this. It is really cool because the way you put it on is so different than like any other necklace I saw. So basically there is, I don't know what it's called, but a little section in the middle right here, and to take it off and put it on, you literally just put it through this little piece and then it just like comes off. So this is what it looks like up close. Very cute. And like I said, to put it on, you use this little thing and it just goes through the center of kind of like right above the heart, and you put it on like this, and then it locks and it goes on your neck. So it's a little necklace and it's so cute, and I'm literally obsessed with it. Next one they sent me is gorgeous. So they sent me this beautiful little bracelet. So it looks like this. I'll have a closer up version for you guys as well. It has little dainty flowers on it, and if you know me, I'm someone who loves flowers. I love simple things, and I feel like these flowers really remind me of something simple, and I love when something has detail but is also so simple. So it looks like this. It's gold. I personally really like gold jewelry and I'm literally obsessed with it. Next piece is another necklace. So it looks like this. Again, it is very simple, like I was telling you guys. It's a gold necklace and it just has little specks of silver on it, if you can see. I'll have it on the screen better in a little try on haul. Another really cool thing you can do is you can kind of tighten this necklace and then have this necklace, for example, just lay longer, and it would look really cute together. I'll give you guys a little example of that as well. But with all that being said, that is everything that Ana Luisa sent me. I am obsessed with all these pieces and I literally wear them all the time. Again, if you want to shop Ana Luisa, be sure to use my code at checkout, SamanthaCosta10, for 10% off your order. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's get back into cleaning my room.
Just want
just finished doing a section of my closet and I just finished one suitcase. I have so much more to do, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'm still working on my closet. Second suitcase, and I still have a lot of my closet left to do, and I only have one more suitcase, so this should be interesting. I guess after this I'm going to start putting clothes in bags, like reusable bags that I have, and then I'm not sure, maybe I can ask my grandma or someone, and if not, then I guess I'll use garbage bags. But for now I'm going to put as much stuff as I possibly can in these suitcases. Currently shoving as many clothes as I can into these suitcases, and they're getting really heavy and hard to close, but I'm trying my best because I really don't want to have to waste that many bags, obviously. So this is my second suitcase. I have one more. As for progress on my closet, I just did my first rack and then I have some more clothes on my second rack. However, the rack that has the clothes is all my work clothes, so I'm going to probably just put that in a garbage bag and have it hang because I don't want all of the clothes to get wrinkled because they're my professional clothes, and these I can iron, but my work clothes have to be dry cleaned, so that would just be like a lot to do for no reason. But I'm going to leave those on the hanger with probably my coats because again, it's just not gonna fit into the suitcase and I'm trying to save room. And then I'm going to move on to this side of my closet, which is like sweatshirts and stuff like that, and then we'll move on to my drawers. So I kind of decided that I'm going to make this video into two parts because there's just way too much in my room to declutter all in one video. I literally think the video would be an hour. So right now I'm going to get my next bag and I'm going to put all of my sweatshirts in it, and I'm going to do the boxes in another video just because it's going to be too long and I still have tomorrow to do all the boxes and like consolidate things. So I finished my third suitcase, which is my last suitcase, and I'm going to do my sweatshirts and put them in like a reusable bag.
Yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. I'm a yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she mine.
You guys, I found a big suitcase. This suitcase that is already packed, and these two suitcases that are also already packed. Then over here I have this, which is filled with sweatshirts. That's filled with like bags to go out and like storage bags, and then that is also filled with sweatshirts. My closet is looking a lot better, so everything's really clean now except for that shelf. And those are my work clothes that I told you guys about. These are the hangers. I'm leaving them here because my mom will use them. She's gonna use my closet as storage. And then these are my coats that I'm also going to put with those, and then I just have my shoes. But right now I'm going to pack that suitcase.
I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for.
I just finished packing this whole suitcase as well, and I still have a lot of clothes left, so I'm gonna go to Target and I'm going to see if I can get other storage suitcases that I will personally be using, because none of these are mine, they're my family's, and then we'll take it from there. I think I'm going to do a part 2 starting now, so be on the lookout for that because I don't have anywhere else to put anything, and I also need to get boxes. So I'm gonna go to Target and probably a box store, maybe like UPS or something, and I will see you guys in my next video with that. With all that being said, that's about it for today's video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are excited to see more of this type of content, be sure to stick around. Again, remember to go check out Ana Luisa and use my code SamanthaCosta10 for 10% off your order. I have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys. But again, thank you to them for sending me all these beautiful pieces, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video.